In this video, I will be showing you how to use Gemini Omni video generation inside the Google Gemini app. So they have recently launched this model and it looks amazing. And now this feature is live. So let's see how we can use it. So the disclaimer is going to be this particular feature is not available for all plans of Gemini because as usual video generation features are only available for the paid plans. As you can see, it's not available for all plans. If I go to my Gemini app with a paid subscription, to the left we'll be having this videos thing. Click here, and as you can see, we are having create videos, create with Omni. So we can just describe a prompt directly, or if you want to use any templates, you can use that. And here we are having an option to change the video resolution, if it can be a YouTube video format or a TikTok format. So let's test if it can perform very well on conversations on the video along with visual graphics. So let me just try it out. I'm having here a prompt that basically is going to demonstrate how photosynthesis it's going to work. So I hope it gives me the visuals, how it's going to take place with a voiceover. So I will just run it. So we have got the video ready. Let me just play it now.
Plants capture sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. Inside chloroplasts, they transform these ingredients. They produce nourishing glucose and release oxygen.
So I've just got a 10-second video. I'm not exactly sure if 10 seconds is the limit because I couldn't see here any video limit or anything like that. But that looks totally stunning. Like the graphics, the visual effects, this literally looks like a YouTube video I'm watching. At some places there are like a distortion of the text, but this is the Omni Flash model. So I guess it will be improved in the upcoming stuff, but that totally looks stunning. This literally feels like a YouTube video. Okay, I would give around like 8 to 9 out of 10 at the moment. If they correct some wordings and if they also give us an option to extend the video limits, let's suppose say 30 seconds or 1 minute, that would be a total game changer. Apart from this, you can even try uploading your own video and give it prompts, swap the face or something. You can even give both video as well as image input and ask it to combine that image character in the video. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.